Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add cryptocurrencies in MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to quotes here at the bottom left. And make sure that your link is your MetaTrader 5 with a broker. Now click on this plus icon. And as you can see here, we have crypto group. Click on it and you can choose the cryptocurrency you want. As you can see, we have here BTC USD, Bitcoin, we have this Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin. Okay, I think that you get the idea. Or you can use this search bar. For example, BNB, this one, BNB token versus US dollar. Click on it. Let's go back. Click on it here and click on chart. And as you can see here, this is the BNB USD chart, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.